Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are enjoying your summer camp activities. Stay inside your home. Don't go outside. There is a virus outside. Enjoy all the activities with your siblings and your parents. Don't forget to wash your hands again and again. And stay safe. Listen to your parents. Take good care of your health. Today's activity is about retelling a story. I'm going to tell you a story first. The Loyal Mongoose. Once upon a time in a village there lived a Brahmin along with his wife, and they were blessed with a son. They lived happily in their family. One day, while having meals, Brahmin and his wife discussed of having a pet for their child. They thought that the pet will act as a companion for the child and it will also protect the son. So they were discussing that which animal we should have as a pet. And the Brahmin went out and he brought a mongoose as a pet. The Brahmin's wife was annoyed. She said, "Have you gone mad? Do you think this dangerous animal can be a pet at anyone's home? Do you think this animal will protect our child?" Somehow, the Brahmin convinced his wife. But the Brahmin's wife was always reluctant. She was always unhappy to keep mongoose as a pet for the child. She was always skeptical when the mongoose was around the child. And one day, the Brahmin's wife said to Brahmin that I have go to market to buy some vegetables and to get water from the well. She said to the Brahmin to take care of their son, and the Brahmin stayed at home. The Brahmin went to the child room and he saw the son was sleeping peacefully in the cradle. And he also went out for his work thinking that the mongoose will take care of their son. When the Brahmin's wife returned from the market, she was surprised to see the mongoose mouth as blood-stained. She said, "What did you do to my child?" She started screaming, and the Brahmin's wife banged upon the mongoose just as to kill it. And she immediately ran into the room where her child was sleeping. When she stepped inside, she saw that the child was sleeping there in the cradle, and on the ground there was a snake that was bitten into pieces. Then she understood the whole situation, that a snake has come to harm her child, but the mongoose has saved her child from the snake. She was all amazed at what she has done to the mongoose. She ran outside to see if the mongoose was there, but unfortunately, the mongoose was dead. She cried, she screamed again, but it was of no use. So, what you get to know about from the story, the moral of the story is never act so quickly. Don't take any actions without thinking. Your today's activity is about retelling a story. You have to make stick puppets and frame a story, and then you will retell the story to your parents. Whenever you tell a story, you have to remember the important points. What happened in the beginning, in the middle, and at the last. Who were the characters in the story? How the story proceeded? What was the time? And what actually happened in the story? These are the things. If you remember all these things, it will be a fun when you retell the story to your parents. Now, I hope to listen to your stories soon. Enjoy this activity. Thank you.